How to use Windows Phone Link app. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be seeing how you can easily use the Windows Phone Link app properly. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up your phone link. Just go to the search bar and simply search for phone link and open it up. Here, all you have to do is first log into your account. I've already done that, so let me just quickly show you how you can do it. On your start menu, right at the starting, you'll find your phone, and you are going to have to log in using your Microsoft account. Now, once you have logged into your account, you can easily find your connected phone here. Now, to start here, what you can do is to finish setting up, you can open settings on your mobile device. You can tap on it, and from the notification panel, you can open settings and unlock your device. Then toggle on the link to Windows option here. Let me just quickly how you can do that. First, you're going to have to sign into your phone using the same email. Then go to devices here. Make sure that you've connected your device. I've already added the device here. Now I just need to go online with my device. I'll just tap on sign in on my phone and log in with my account. Once you have logged into your account, you can allow the manage of your access as well as your data. So just go ahead and tap on continue on your phone and turn on link to Windows. Once you've turned it on, you should find your device come online right here. And once you have successfully connected, it's going to load up your mobile screen right here. Just wait for a bit for the connection to establish, and you should be good to go. Now you can maximize it, minimize it, or do whatever you want with your phone screen right here. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.